Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss a safety tip, a product review, or a random dad joke. Today, we're diving into something super important but often overlooked: carbon monoxide detectors. Yep, those little white lifesavers that can literally keep you breathing. Stick around, because we're covering the top 5 first alert carbon monoxide detectors, the ones that are actually worth your money, your trust, and your precious wall space. Let's jump in. Let's be honest, nobody wakes up thinking, today's a great day to detect carbon monoxide. But guess what? That invisible odorless gas is sneakier than your cat at 3 a.m. and way more dangerous. That's why we've rounded up the top 5 first alert carbon monoxide detectors that combine brains, brawn, and a siren loud enough to scare your neighbor's dog. These trusty devices from First Alert don't just beep at you randomly like your microwave. They accurately detect CO levels using advanced electrochemical sensors. Yes, that's science. Plus, they're battery-powered, which means they'll keep protecting you even during a blackout. No excuses, no nonsense, just pure, unfiltered safety. Now let's count down the fabulous 5 lifesavers that'll make you feel like a CO detecting superhero. 1. First Alert CO 400, the minimalist's lifesaver. Simple, reliable, elegant, in a I'm here to save your life kind of way. The CO 400 runs on batteries and features a super sensitive electrochemical sensor. It's as easy to install as hanging a picture, except this one screams at you when it detects danger instead of silently judging your interior design choices. Why you need it? Constant CO monitoring, even during power outages. Also, it weighs less than half a pound, so light you'll forget it's there until it starts yelling, in a helpful way, of course. 2. First Alert CO 605, plug in and chill. If you hate changing batteries more than assembling IKEA furniture, this one's for you. The CO 605 plugs right into your wall socket, but also includes battery backup. Because First Alert knows the only thing worse than CO is losing power during a House of the Dragon binge. Bonus, it's like the CO 400's fancier cousin who brings backup batteries and stays calm under pressure. 3. First Alert CO 710, the cool kid with a digital display. Want to actually see what's going on? The CO 710 comes with a 10-year battery and digital display, so you can keep tabs on CO levels without guessing. It's basically the smartwatch of detectors. Fun fact, it's also got a built-in thermometer, so it'll even tell you how hot it is while it's busy saving your life. 4. First Alert CO 615, the all-in-one boss. The CO 615 has it all: a plug-in design, battery backup, and a digital display. It's like if Tony Stark designed a CO detector. You'll feel high-tech, safe, and slightly smug every time you walk past it. Why it's a must-have? Because when it comes to carbon monoxide, maybe it's working, just doesn't cut it. 5. First Alert CO 600, budget-friendly and brilliant. Don't want to spend a fortune on safety? The CO 600 is your new best friend. It's affordable, easy to install, and gets the job done like a champ. Think of it as the reliable coworker who doesn't make a fuss but always pulls through. Good to know. It meets UL standards. Just like the rest of the gang, safety first, saving second, style third, but hey, it still looks great on your wall. So, why First Alert? Let's put it this way. When it comes to safety, First Alert isn't playing around. They've been in the game since 1958, back when Elvis was still shaking his hips on national TV. All their alarms are rigorously tested, have a 5-year warranty, and come with an end-of-life chirp, like a breakup text but helpful. Protect your family, safeguard your home, sleep better at night, or nap harder in the afternoon. Final words. Just buy one already. Still deciding? Let me help. You need one on every floor and in every bedroom. It's not just smart, it's essential. These are the top 5 First Alert carbon monoxide detectors, and trust me, they're the best on Amazon for a reason. So go ahead, click that Add to Cart button and thank yourself later. Because nothing says I care about my loved ones like a carbon monoxide detector that might just save your butt someday. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 First Alert carbon monoxide detectors. Which one are you grabbing for your home? Let me know down in the comments. I read every single one. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with anyone who needs a reminder to stop living dangerously. If you want more product reviews that are actually fun to watch, hit that subscribe button and join the
Fam. Until next time, stay safe, stay smart, and don't let carbon monoxide sneak up on you. Peace out and happy detecting.